Here's a really cool way to turn your blog into an AI. So imagine, for example, somebody needs to get access to information that you are blogging about. And this is either to help people sign up for your company, to sign up for your app or your product, whatever it is that you're selling. You've got blog pages, right? And there's a lot of information in these blogs, and you don't want somebody who comes to your website to have to go through, find that specific blog, look at a specific category, click and open that blog, and then have to read all of the text on that page to be able to find the information that they need. So what if we can actually compile all of this information, like things from our blog pages, or we've got training documents or FAQ pages for our product? If we could get all of this information and we could basically put it into an AI brain, that would basically mean that anybody who comes to our website, rather than having to, go and find a blog post and then query and read through and find a specific bit of information, they could literally just talk to something like an AI chatbot. And an AI chatbot is able to read the entire website. And we can then ask it a question like, why should I use ChatIQ? And it can see how quickly it did that, right? It can read the entire website in a matter of seconds, and it can retrieve very important bits of information for that user. But it can do more than just reading one page at a time. It can read your entire website at the same time. So how do you do this? Well, if you head to the top link in the description, you can build your own chatbot with ChatIQ.ai. And it's going to basically allow your users to read and get information quickly. That's going to help them use your product or use your service. So it's incredibly easy to do. And realistically, all you need to do is put in your website. So you can upload data from your URL. It's going to fetch every single link from your website, and then it's going to build you a chatbot. So this is what it looks like for your data feed. Imagine it like a file manager. You can see here, these are all the pages from my website. And then what I've done is I've built myself an AI. So if we come to here, we can build multiple chatbots, but I've built a chatbot here. And you can see this is the data that it's referencing in its replies. So it can read all of these documents at the same time. If we look at my data feed here, this is 153,000 words. So the AI is able to read 153,000 words from any page on my website, and it can then use that information in its responses. And it doesn't mean the user now does not have to go and find that information on the website. So we're basically taking one of these pages and we're creating an AI chatbot. We can do things like customize the branding. So if we go to the interface one, you can see here I've got the logo has been set up. For this one, we can always change the logo. We can swap it out with something else. We can, customize the colors. We can change the color of the text and all sorts of things, and then we can update it, and it'll update the image up here. So let's just do a quick experiment here. What happens if somebody comes to our website and they want to know? Let's just do, why should I use ChatIQ? You see how quickly it responds. But now we can actually take it one step further. So now it knows everything about our business. We can actually categorize requests into simple requests and complex issues. So depending on how difficult the question is to answer, we can actually get the AI to categorize these, and then if it's a simple request, get the AI to reply. If it's a complex request, actually get the user to submit a support ticket for a human to get involved. So this is what we call human handoff. And it works very simply like this. So if I say, how can I cancel my subscription? This is something that the chatbot is able to answer because it knows how to cancel your subscription. But also it might be useful, so you can see here, right? Head to the settings section, go to manage plan and cancel your subscription. But it also knows that that might need some human support. So I can actually submit a ticket here, and I can say I've got an account issue, I can put in my lead information, and I can explain what the problem is. And then if we come into our dashboard as someone who's using ChatIQ, you can see here, this is a support ticket test that I did. I can't remember signing up for this product. Give me a refund. I do not want to dispute this payment. ChatIQ has actually marked this as a high priority support request. I can now actually reply to this ticket, and it's generated me an AI reply for this support ticket using all of that company data. So it knows, the AI knows everything from all of my blog pages. It knows about my refund policies, everything. So it can actually automatically generate me a response, and I can then send it out to Gmail. If I want to, I can actually give it more detail, and I can say, please ask this user, well, let's say, please ask this customer to provide us with their order number. And I now don't need to actually craft out the whole email. It's going to go ahead and do this in a matter of seconds. It's going to say, in order to assist you further, please provide us with your order number. And it does this in a very professional way. I just need to put the name of whoever it is that I'm responding to, like that. And then we can send this email out via Gmail. It's going to take a second and it'll open up our default Gmail address, and then we can just send it. We don't need to do anything else. That has already been managed for us. So if you head to the top link down below in the description called ChatIQ, you can build your own AI for your business that can handle customer service.